Good morning, teacher and friends. I am Rivina Alisarintik from SK Asun. Today, I want to talk about something very exciting, the importance of science in our everyday life. First, science helps us understand how things work. For example, when you turn on the light switch, science is at work. Electricity travels through wires, lighting up our home. So, the next time you flip that switch, remember the science behind it. Second, is important for your health. Doctors use science to understand how our body works and how to keep us healthy. This shows us how important it is to learn about science, as it keeps us safe and healthy. Lastly, scientists use their knowledge to create new things like smartphone and computer. These innovations change the ways we live, work, and communicate. Science interests us to think big and dream about what we can create next. In conclusion, science is not just a subject we learn in school. It is essence part of our everyday life. It helps us understand the world, keeps us healthy, and inspires us to innovate. So, let's be curious, ask questions, and embrace the burdens of science. Together, we make a difference. Thank you for listening.